The display is the portal to your smartphone experience. It's amazing to see how much smartphone displays have evolved over the years. But at Samsung, we know there's always room for improvement. Sometimes, the sun is so bright, your display suddenly becomes difficult to see. That's because strong ambient light, like the sun, reflected on the screen, exceeds the amount of light coming out of the screen. Introducing Vision Booster. Galaxy S22 Ultra's screen has a peak brightness of 1750 nits. But simply making the screen brighter isn't enough, and it can sometimes result in a loss of details. Vision Booster is a unique solution that significantly improves display visibility by considering the light intensity of the surroundings and its influence on the display. Vision Booster's algorithm analyzes the histogram data of all content appearing on the display, inspecting each pixel's value. Then, it performs tone mapping to adjust the display, making dark areas brighter and colors richer, maximizing color contrast for a sharper picture, even under direct sunlight. You'll see a tangible increase in viewing quality. Vision Booster will help enhance your display, whatever lighting conditions you're faced with. It's the result of a balanced alliance between optimized hardware and intelligent software that automatically adapt to your ever-changing environment. Breakthrough innovations such as Vision Booster continue to elevate your smartphone experience. Our smartphones are incredibly powerful. The more powerful the technology, the more energy it requires. And this energy is usually converted to heat. It requires innovations in heat transfer technology, which is based on the principle of moving energy away from a heat source and spreading it out to maintain a controlled temperature. Galaxy S22 Ultra is equipped with an all-new structure made with new materials that deliver optimized heat dissipation. To make this possible, we improved each part of our heat solution. Starting with the thermal interface material, a substance that improves heat transfer between surfaces. Our latest TIM was developed using a new, thicker type of gel to conduct heat faster. We call it the Gel TIM. Above the Gel TIM is the Nano TIM, which shields electromagnetic interference from the AP. It's made with a new flexible nanofiber material, which is more resistant under pressure when compared to the solid metal used in previous models. The new Nano TIM is not only more effective, but also moves heat faster to the vapor chamber. The vapor chamber, or VC, acts as a powerful thermal spreader. In the past, the VC rested on the PCB. But as smartphone batteries became bigger, the PCB got smaller. So our engineers had to find a different location for the VC to maximize heat diffusion. The new vapor chamber is designed to cover the area from the AP to the battery, enabling a more efficient heat transfer. It's made of a new double-bonded stainless steel that's pressed in a way that allows the VC to stay thin and cover more area, while also being more durable under pressure. From the vapor chamber, the heat moves to the graphite spreading sheet, which diffuses heat horizontally away from the vapor chamber. The improvements made to each part of our heat solution, combined with our thermal management software, which optimizes each operation to control heat, enable the Galaxy S22 Ultra to rapidly dissipate heat, effectively cooling your phone. With this ultra-efficient heat solution and an ultra-advanced Vision Booster, the Galaxy S22 Ultra empowers you to use your tech your way.